let us start part 8, chapter 13, ways to multiply and divide, class 5. In this video, we will do some fun activity with multiplication. It is at page number 178 to 779, NCERT class 5. So, see here. Look for pattern and take this forward. You see the pattern. 0 multiplied by 9 plus 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 9 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 1. 1 and 2 multiply by 9 plus 3, 3 times 1. So now 1, 2, 3 into 9 plus 4 means 4 times 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5 plus 5. So 5 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 plus 6. So 6 times 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what you have observed, the number we are adding here, that many times 1 here. I am adding 2 here, so 1 and 1. I am adding 3, so 1, 1, 1. I am adding 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the number I am adding, that times 1 will come in the answer. So this is the pattern. You can further extend this pattern. You can take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 9 plus 7. So 7 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is the pattern in the multiplication. So let us see next pattern. Each letter ABC here stands for a number. Okay, we know the multiplication. Triple A means some number is here. We will multiply the number with the same number. So what will we find? We will find the same number, same number, same number. Here, same number, and something will change here. Okay. So what if we will take A is equal to 1? Means 1, 1, 1 multiply by 1, 1, 1. What will happen? In first step, we will multiply 1, 1 with 1. In second step, we will multiply triple 1 with 10. In third step, we will multiply with 100. Okay. So, what will happen? Look at this. So, you will see here triple 1 is there, here triple 1, here triple 1, and now here total answer is, this is A, this is again A, B and B repeating, yes, B and B is repeating, and this is C. Okay, so A, B, C, B, A. This is the pattern of the answer. So what is the value of B? What is the value of B? B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Okay, let us move next. Trick with your age. You have to think about your age. Whatever your age is there, you can write here. Then you multiply it with 7. Then you multiply it with 13. Then you multiply it with 11. So you will see a pattern there. Let us see. Suppose your age is 10 years. So you take 10. Now you multiply 10 with 7. So 10 into 7, 70. Now this 70 multiply with 13. So 13 7 ja 91 and 10 is here. So 910. Now multiply this 910 with 11. So answer is 10 0 10. If you will put your age 11 here, what will you do in next step? You will multiply 11 by into 7, then 11 into 7 77. Now 77 multiply by 13, answer will be 1001. You can multiply and check. Then this 1001 will be multiplied with 11. So then the answer will be 11 0 11. Can you find the pattern in the answer, this and this? Yes, the age was 10 year, so the answer was 10 0 10, and when age was 11 years, so answer was 11 0 11. It means if age will be 12 years, so what will be the answer? Yes, 12 0 12. If 13 will be the age, what will be the answer? 13 0 13. So isn't fun with the multiplication? Yes, we can find it with the pattern only. So let us move next. Now see some questions going round and round. So we have a number 142857 and I am multiplying it with 1. So the answer will be same. If I will multiply it with 2, so answer will be this 285714. If I multiply it with 3, then the answer will be this 428571. If multiply with 4, 571 428. If I multiply it with 5, 5 then 714285. So this will be answer. So do you find a pattern in these answers? Can you see what is the pattern in answer of this answer, in this answer, in all these answer? Do you find any pattern? Can you say? Okay, look at, there are 6 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, 6 digits. One thing you can notice, all the answers has these digits only. No answer has digits outside these digits. Okay, on 142857, 14828, 142857, 1428571, 142857, 142857, 142857, means all the answers are with the same digits. So any pattern? Let us see. Let us put these digits in a circle. 1 4 2 8 5 7. Now can you see the pattern in the answer? Okay, so the first answer is 1 4 2 8 5 7, moving clockwise. Second answer is starting from 2, from here 2 8 5 7 1 4, again moving clockwise. In this answer is starting from 4, so 4 2 8 5 7 1, this is answer. In this case answer is starting from 5, 5 is here, 5 7 1 4 2 8, moving clockwise. Now next answer is from 7, 7 1 4 2 8 5. So all the answers are lies with the same digits. same digits. Moving in clockwise direction. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now for more such videos. Thank you.